Hey WW2bies, Scott here from Wee's Bees. We got another great video coming your way, so roll that beautiful bee footage. Hello boys and girls, Scott here, Wee's Bees. We're back here again in August. We're doing some maintenance checks on our bees and checking and seeing how we're doing with honey and oh yeah, how we're doing with bees. We're doing great with bees. That's not a problem. Okay? Let's get the girls smoked down inside. There we go. That'll get them going down in. All right. We're checking for honey. Ooh, man, look at all them hive beetles. Wow. Not good. That's all right. I got something for them. We will give them the whack-a-mole. And there you go. You don't like that too much, do you? Bees got them all chased up on top. Whew. There we go. All right. So they chased them up on top and we're chasing them dead. Come on, girls. Get down inside. They're doing pretty good. I don't see a lot going on here for honey, so this is definitely probably going to have to be a feeder. Let's find my Gizmo and do a little quick checking, hopefully quick checking. Let's get all these beetles. Holy smokes, this is ridiculous. There we go. Let's get all these beetles out of here. It's nice that we got them on the run. And that's a bunch of beetles that we don't have to worry about. Alright. Let's see. We will check some frames real quick. See what we got. Come on, girls. There we go. We got lots of bees making lots of comb, which is always a good thing. Other than that, I don't see a lot in the honey department. Man, they got these things glued together. There's that old song. Glued together right now. Okay. We do have honey on this side. That's a good thing. We do have some. Alright. Girls are getting A little rambunctious. Oh, yeah, that's full. That one's what I would call mega full. Yep, slam full. Good thing. Just what we want to see. All right. I'm going to go ahead and take this one out for a few minutes so I can do some cleaning. We need to clean off some propolis. Okay, makes it easier to work with. Here we go. All right, we'll do one more and just see where we're at for honey. And we are slam full. Okay. Oh yeah, we're slam full in the middle. So not gonna have to worry about these girls either. All we need to do is, let's see, what did I say? Put them back? Yeah. Like so. Put these girls back. And slide these girls over. Yeah. See if we can do a little cleaning here. Yeah, we can. They're getting stirred up again. All right, we got that cleaned out. Let's chill them out a little bit. Now they're up here on the frame. This frame is empty. Girl's working on it, so we're going to let them continue to do so. Let's check our spacing. Spot on. This one's a little off. There we go. We'll have to check that again once we put them back up on there. All right, let's smoke everybody down. Let's take the hanger off. And now it's time to do a split. There we go. One split here. One split there. All right. Now we're going to lift the girls off. Yeah, that's heavy. I think they got more than enough in here. There we go. Let's smoke them down a little. Then we'll remove this. Holy smokes, there's a lot of bees in here, huh? Yep. Lots of bees. There we go. All right. Smoke the girls down. Come on, girls. You can do it. If I don't get you smoked down, you won't go in, and you're going to get smushed. We need to do a little bit of glue maintenance here where they glued some of that together. They killed a bumblebee that got in. Come on, girls. We'll get them smoked in, and we'll put the girls back on. There we go. All right, we got them for the most part. So let's get this bad boy back down on here, like so. There we go. All right. going. We got a lot of bees here. So, I need to, come on girls. How am I going to get you guys off of there? There we go. Just like that. Got all the girls knocked off. And that's going to make them mad. There we go. All right. Got everybody back on there. We are doing good here for the most part. Other than that, that's all we're going to do right now. They got plenty of honey, which is a good thing. That's what we want. We're going to come in, I don't know, probably next month. I bought a new OAV, oxalic acid vaporizer. I bought the lower bees, which look real nice. It's like 250, 270. It's really reliable. I saw lots of good reviews, and a lot of beekeepers say they like them. So we're going to do that here probably next month to help the bees out and get rid of all the varroa mites, as Cayman would say. Other than that, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe one way or another. And thank you to all of our veterans and our military for everything you do. Have a great day. See you. Bye.